Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how you can see your Instagram login activity. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you get this way? If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. After that, open your profile in the top right corner, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy Account Center. Here we open Password and Security, select Account. And here we have Instagram login activity for all of our devices. Let's say we can sign in on an iPhone 7. As you can see, I've been logged in on 23/20/21. If I want to log out, I press Log Out, and then I press Log Out again. So I'm logged out of this device. Let's say I'm on some other device, just an iPhone, but now I'm sitting on it. Let's say you have an iPhone XS, and I also logged into this account in the 21st year. I can click Log Out and log out of this profile that it would never be. You can see really when we were on what date and so on. And then log out and see the login activity. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Write whether my solution will help you or not. Thanks for watching. I will read your comments and reply. Goodbye.